Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Saturday. This is Darlene stopping by real quick. I am sitting here making some necklaces. I need to get about maybe 6 necklace sets made before the middle part of December. I also need to get a lot more product made to go on the website. My actual website, the Jury by BDK website, right here, www.jbbdk.com. So I do need to upload some necklace sets on here. I have been sending out a whole lot of correspondence, emails to different people, different places, different individuals who are in situations where they can make decisions as it relates to brands and all that good stuff. So I do need to make sure that my website is updated and it has like new, nice product on there with updated prices and all that good stuff, right? So today is Saturday and I am going to I'm doing the best I can and just kind of work all day today. I got my laptop in here. In my work studio, I have a desktop computer. So I have the desk. I have like the whole setup, a couple of printers in here, the whole, like the whole setup. And then I'll bring in my laptop, and on the laptop I want, because it's easy accessible to me. I'll put it right to the right of me and put it on a stand, and I may be able to reach out and change what I want to watch, adjust the volume, do all different things like that. As with the desktop, is to the way far right of me, on the end over there, so it's not easily accessible for me to change things and audio and that type of stuff. So I'll bring the laptop in here. So everything all set up, so I'm gonna do my best to try to just be in this studio all day, just working all day, trying to get some things done. I do need to take pictures, upload pictures to not only the website, also to Fair. I need to go on Fair and do some stuff up in there. So what I did with the J slices, of course, I love wire wrapping. So I went ahead and wrapped these slices with 18 gauge wire, and then added some little 8 millimeter beads on here, and a couple might be a little bit bigger. This might be a 10 maybe a 10 millimeter. And then we put some little stones on here, a little metal spacer on this side, and then I am hanging them from the jade slices from the jump rings, and I think these might be like 16 millimeter jump rings. So there's 3 on here for the sake of security, and these are going to be the pendant part on the necklace. The necklace is going to be 18 inches long, and this is how it's going to hang from the necklace. So we just want to do something real jazzy, something real artistic, something real bold, something just kind of really out there. And I am going to be making quite a few of the necklace sets for the website, because the places that I'm sending emails to and introducing the Jury by BDK brand to, the pieces have to be elevated even more than what I normally be doing. So they really, to me, have to stand out from a crowd of whatever, right? So that's just my whole thing. So we're also going to be using some of these stones down here, if you could see them. Just some stuff right here. We're going to be using some of the hand painted beads. We're just going to make something work up in here. And as you know, you can see that's a whole lot of open space right here. And I like to use my coconut chips to close that off, or any flat bead that can take up that space. In my case, I like the coconut chips. And you can see how it closes against there, and it gets rid of all that open space right there. And I'm going to use another one of these little flat beads, just for the sake of doing it and seeing what it looks like. Oops. And so that's what it'll look like to start. And I think I want to put, do I got some more up here? Yeah. Let's do it another time and then see what that looks like. So that's how it'll look at the beginning, starting at the bottom part down there. And then I need to figure out what I want to do next, like which of these beads do I want to, I don't even know if this will fit on here. Let's see. Because some of these beads are supposed to have a 1 millimeter hole, but they don't be, oh, okay, that should work. Let's see. I don't want to bend my wire up. So you can see how that adds a nice little taste already. And then on this side, just to add something, let me see what this bead right here. And then I don't like that because it looks too much like the same. So I'm going to take this bead off, and we'll try one of our beads that we wrap this 15 gauge aluminum wire around. So I'm going to try that and then see what that looks like, because it does give a whole lot of drama down there. And then what I'll do, I'll take another one of these beads, spacers. And let's see. No, because it still looks too much like the same. So let's try. Let me see. Let's see. Let's try this one. And then I kind of like that. So let's try something. Sometimes I got to take them apart because I really don't be liking the way it looks. So I'm trying to get all the drama at the bottom down here. That is gorgeous. Nice and chunky and big. And then we're going to put a couple more on here, and then we're going to go ahead and close it off. And it's 18-inch, but it is going to be a little bit longer because we have the pendant on here. So even though it's an 18-inch necklace, the pendant gives it a little bit more length. So the pendant makes it longer than an 18 up here. So it's 18 inches here, but then here you got about another, let's see, about another 3 inches. Well, about a 2 1/4 or something inches. I really like the way it looks though. The way this hangs. So let's finish it off. And then we are going to close our other side. Straighten that up. Grab our wire. Go ahead and close it. Just wrap the wire around it. Close it off. I'm going to wrap it around the bottom part. Now I can just tuck it. Sometimes the wire just get a little slippery, but as long as it's up under that wire, that's good stuff. So, and to me, it's a little bit snug, so I'm gonna just push it up just a little bit to loosen it, because I don't like it to look stiff. And then I'm gonna use. I got some. Oh, you know what? Let me just go ahead and close it off. I don't think I have no jump rings up here. Y'all know if it ain't one thing, it's something else. If I ain't got jump rings, I don't have closures. If I ain't got closures, I ain't got no jump rings. Okay. So I need the smaller. Let me see. I might be able to put these on here. Let's see. Just for the sake of closing it off, I'm going to go ahead and put 2 jump rings. And these are huge. I don't use these big little jump rings. And then this is what the necklace looks like. Remember, it is 18 gauge. The bigger jump rings, of course, will make it longer because they're bigger. That gives it even more, more space up here. If they were the smaller jump rings, it would be closer together. But because they're bigger, it stretches it out a little bit more. So that within itself makes the necklace a little bit longer. And then you got the 2 1/4 inch pendant down here, which makes it a little bit longer than the 18 inch, which is good. Cool stuff. And then we got what we got up here. And I'm looking to see what kind of earrings can we make.
Taking a chance on me. I know I'm not the easiest to love. No. Thank you for holding it down for me. I know sometimes you felt like giving up, but you stayed right here, and now I gotta let you know I think I found a good one. Stay here for the rest of my life. I never find a better one. I think I found a good one. Stay here for the rest of my life. I never find a better one. I'll never find a better one. Too many fakes in this world for me. They really make it hard for you to trust. Giving the best of me, 'cause you told me how to open up. And I'ma stay right here, and now I gotta let you know I think I found a good one. Stay here for the rest of my life. I never find a better one. I think I found a good one. Stay here for the rest of my life. I never find a better one. I'll never find a better one. No. Never find a better one. No. Yeah. Pick a place on the way. Where you wanna go. Where you wanna go. Where you wanna go. Where you wanna go. Boy, it's up to you. Tonight, make the reservation. I need a vacation with you tonight. For inspiration. Good morning with a beach view. It's overdue. Who say that, my dear? Pink colada with the beer, yeah. Crystal clear water exterior. Flashing lights, traffic lights, red. Speed it up and then inside your head. Yellow mellow, speed it up ahead. Yeah, gringo. Drop the pen and I'll be there. Where you wanna go. Where you wanna go, 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 go? Where you wanna go, 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 go? Where you wanna go, 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 go? Boy, it's up to you. Tonight, make the reservation. I need a vacation with you. Tonight, for inspiration. All that stress you got release. Just breathe, better yet, just picture me. Set to see right by the sea. If you open up your mind, you'll see that rainbow. I'm the particle, you're a lucky soul. Focus close, I'm in